descriptions, asked and interviewed them about the significance and relevance of the cultural diversity within the workplace and its impact to them.
I believe that the most case or problem in the workplace, which is the miscommunication of the employees. So that's why naturally kami problems sa usang kumpanya. So, or in the workplace, kay tungkol sa a lack of communication to their workplace, mas mahimo siya o babag sa imong pagkabaw pagkabaw nitong adlaw-adlaw.
So, it is in my opinion, the primary cause of misunderstanding is that we have different perceptions and level of understanding. So, what is the most important is dapat ma-achieve comprehension na maskin sa maskin different situation, we should have comprehension in order to kanang masabtan jud nato ang mga butang-butang kay di ba in a workplace based on my own experience sa ako ang work ko sa sinabi that each individual or each workers most especially if na mga i-implement na rules or mga trabaho una din kay mura bitaw kanang really masabot tayo sa usalit. We have different level of understanding. No? It could be ako dali ko makasabot na I have initiative and while you kay wala ra. So for me sa ako kay wala ay nakasabot ra ko na situation while ikaw wala, which is ikaw ang nipalag atong akuan. So for me maura para na ako maura jud na ang usab ko the primary cause level of perception na we have different level of perception. As long as po if unsa po ta dedicated po sa kanang ato ang work kay there are some workers po nga ni work ra it's because of a salary or kanang suporta but some workers po ni work because they are dedicated, they are gilove jud na nila nga work.
In McDonald's for ethical solution is we create a diversity and inclusion na tanan nitong employees is maka-receive o feel kita nila nga valued and ma-feel nila nga valued and also ma-feel nila nga fair or bitaw and also McDonald's for ethical solution is they create a employee resource group or ERGs na kanang tanang employee is fair bitaw and dili siya bias ba like dili mag-ano sa imong background and McDonald's for ethical solution we receive a proper training, proper discipline and regarding po sa among customer is we give them a satisfaction makana mi nga ganahan sila mabalik-balik kana ma-feel nila nga kana naragyapon sila sa ilang balay through the serving sa among pan. Thank you.
Working with coworkers from different backgrounds at McDonald's has been a really positive experience for me. We learn from each other, support one another, and work better as a team, especially during rush hours when teamwork is so important. And of course, it can sometimes take extra effort to understand each other's communication styles or cultural differences, but that's part of what makes it rewarding. It taught me to be more adaptable and open-minded, which has helped me not just at work but also in my personal life.
In today's corporate world, the importance of diversity, equity, and inclusion in human resources cannot be understated. These three principles are essential for fostering a positive and inclusive work environment that values and respects the unique backgrounds and perspective of all employees. Human resource departments play a crucial role in driving diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives within organizations. They are responsible for creating and implementing policies and practices that promote a diverse diverse workforce, providing training and development opportunities to address bias and discrimination, and ensuring that all employees have access to opportunities and resources. By prioritizing diversity, equity, and inclusion, human resource professionals contribute to the overall success and sustainability of organizations. They help build strong and diverse teams that are better equipped to understand and cater the needs of diverse customer base. In conclusion, diversity, equity, and inclusion are integral to the success of any organization. Human resource professionals plays a critical role in driving their initiatives and must continue to champion these values to create a more equitable and inclusive environment for all employees.